So that's where they live.
Going in the base. So we have to defeat them. Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. Go on, go. Flip up sight. Right there. Long shot scope. And my cock it like this, then you shoot. It's not very heavy, so you could run with it like this. Kumingay! So you Ladies and gentlemen, we have reported that the sniper shot the rowboat over the lake. Reporting that when we saw something that a blue gun starting to shiver around the lake and I saw an explosion. Everyone reported that they saw an explosion and they saw some battleships in the lake. They saw one of them that are black ships that has guns on it, which has been reported. Moving inside the black ship, we have saw a deadly sniper and deadly armor.